Hi, my name is Dean Paul Denniston, and today we'll be upgrading the steering angle bolts on our Razor Ground Force Elite. This is an easy process. It should take you approximately 5 minutes from start to finish. You will need the following tools, which are included in the upgrade kit. 2 3mm Allen wrenches, a 4mm Allen wrench, and an 8mm open-end wrench. This process can be completed in 3 easy steps. Step 1, removing your steering angle bolts. Step 2, installing your upgraded steering angle bolts. And Step 3, repeating the process on the opposite side. Now let's get started on Step 1, removing the steering angle bolts. As with working on any electric product, always make sure to turn off the power before you begin. Take your 2 3mm Allen wrenches and remove the steering angle bolts. Place one Allen wrench on the bottom and the other on top. Remove your old steering angle bolts and set it aside. And that concludes Step 1, removing the steering angle bolts. Now on to Step 2, installing our upgraded steering angle bolts. Take your new steering angle bolt, slide it through the tie rod and through the swing arm. From the bottom, we can slide on our washer, followed by the nuts. Once they're hand tight, use your open-end wrench to secure the nut and your 4mm Allen wrench to tighten it down. With it secure, that concludes Step 2, installing our upgraded steering angle bolts. Now on to Step 3, repeating the process on the opposite side. Adjust the wheel to get easy access to the steering angle bolts. And using your 2 3mm Allen wrenches, remove your steering angle bolts. One Allen wrench on the bottom, the other on the top, and loosen. Remove the steering angle bolts and set it aside. Take your upgraded steering angle bolts, slide it down through the tie rod and the swing arm. From the bottom, slide on the washer, followed by the nuts. Now using your 8mm open-end wrench, secure the nut from the bottom. Take your 4mm Allen wrench and tighten the nut down. Once secured, that concludes Step 3 and the process of upgrading our steering angle bolts. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, but if you still have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to contact customer support at razor.com. Bye bye, little fly.